See if I can hold my phone this time. What's up, everyone? Sorry, it's windy again. It like legit never stops being windy. It sucks. But so today we got it's a 14-inch LED light bar. I'm actually going to use for my reverse lights. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get in here. So this is what we're going to do today, is install this. Not sure if I want to finish it today. So I got some heat shrink wrap on. I got some extra 16 gauge wire and wrapped it up really good, sealed it so you can see which one's negative, which one's positive. So you're going there from there. And then I also bought a fuse, inline fuse. So I'm trying 20 amps first, and if it blows I'll do 25, and then that blows we'll do 30. Well, anyways, we're gonna go from there. We're gonna wire it into my reverse light so this turns on when I back up, and maybe later I'll hook it up to a switch so I can turn it on and off. But not a cool place to put it. Okay, it's really windy, but this is where I'm gonna put it. So it kind of goes right in between these little tailgate does close and doesn't hit it, and this is about like just a little bit, so it'll be nice. I'll just wire it into my reverse light on this side. Okay, so we're on this now. Kind of plastic dipped them just so that the silver wouldn't stand out on these bolts. Just did I think a quarter drill hole all the way down, bolted it up, nothing it up. Now I'm zip tying all the wires, and I ran it through here and here. So now I'm just gonna cut these wires, and I wish I had solder, but I don't. So I'm gonna do the ghetto old way. It's always worked for me. Just cut them open right here, splice them together, tape them up real good, and put a little electric dielectric grease on it so it doesn't get, any corrosion. And yeah, we'll see how she works. Okay, we got her all hooked up, and there she is. She looks so much cleaner. Like, not cleaner, but like it just looks clean. And I didn't cut any holes out, my bumpers, or pretty much anything. So it's looks pretty sweet. I don't know if I can. I'll have to turn it on in a second. Look at that. Definitely doing a night video, so sweet. Okay, so this is nighttime now. So there's a house back there. You can kind of see the light right there. Well, let's try this out. That's how far you can see the house. It's crazy. That's probably, let's see if I don't know if you can even see how far away that is. It's at least like a football field away. That's just crazy. And it's so nice. You can see out both mirrors perfectly fine. Okay, so here's a trailer. Let's see if I was backing it up. I could see everything. But okay, let's back this up. We got in the mirror. I can see. Oh shit, that's not gonna work. Okay, so there's a mirror. You can see my phone. But yeah, it's obviously hard to tell on phone, or on camera, like through the 5% tint. So you can see where it's shiny right there. You can kind of see it right there. And now I can see it. It's so nice, and I got a camera too now, so I can see everything. But it's hard to tell on camera, but you can see everything. It's so awesome. Oh man, let me see if I can get a view out there. Hold on. Okay, so I just have my truck off, but I have the reverse on, and it legit lights up everything. It's so bright. Yeah, you can see everything. The house all over there. Oh, this is awesome. And it's on there tight, so it's not going anywhere, but it is way worth it. So worth it. I'll put down the link below to get it. definitely get you one if you need to see at night, for sure. Thanks for watching.